guys.
Bro, this tree's gonna fall!
Ah! Bro, this can't be good. Oh my God. Bro, this can't be good. Bro, what are we supposed to do?
I don't know, let's go hide.
Oh, a tree just fell! Oh my God! No, I just saw a tree fall! Oh, our track! Our track, guys, stay safe. Oh! Bro, this is not good.